Is water entering the basement of your home? Is it making it impossible to enjoy your area? If the basement has ever experienced any groundwater seepage, then it needs a quality basement waterproofing system like WaterGuard, DryTrack, or other options available from basement systems. The idea is that basement water problems never get better, they only get worse as the house ages and the drains and coatings that protected the house fail. Therefore, even if water seepage is a once-a-year occurrence, it needs to be fixed before the basement is finished, as flooding will likely be more frequent. Before investing in finishing your basement, you should have the best sump pump protection available to guard your home against flooding from primary pump failure, pump overload from torrential rains, and power failure. Basement Systems Triple-Safe Sump Pump System stands ready with primary and secondary AC-powered pumps and a third battery-operated backup pump in a single airtight sump liner. The Triple-Safe system automatically pumps out water in the event that the power goes out or the primary pump mechanically fails to operate. Without this triple protection, your finished basement is only one pump or power failure away from a flood. Ensure a dry basement all the time with triple protection before you invest in it. Contact Matt Clark's Northern Basement Systems today for a free estimate on basement waterproofing and all things basementy.